Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are continuing with our audio processing series. This is gonna be the fourth video of this particular series. So till date we have covered how to load audio in Python, how to visualize audio in Python, how to remove noise from audio, and in this particular video we're gonna see how to remove silence from the audio. So this particular video gonna be continuation of our previous video. So if you are new to the channel and if you're watching this particular video, then make sure to watch all the previous videos of this particular series. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in previous video we wrote this particular code, right? We first took one audio sample with noise, then with the help of logmas library we remove the noise from this particular sample. You can see in this particular first picture you can see the noise in this particular audio sample, and in second video you can see we remove this particular noise. So after removing the noise we can see this particular empty line, right? This is called as a silence. So this particular audio file contains some silence part in that, and this particular silence part we don't need while performing operations on audio. So in this particular video we're gonna remove this particular silence part. So for this in Python we're gonna use the unsilence library. So first we have to install this particular unsilence library. For me it is already installed. If it is not installed in your particular collab notebook, it will install. Then once this particular library installed, we have to import this library. So for importing this library you have to write from unsilence import unsilence, and you have to import this particular library. So after that we will define two functions. First is destination of our output file and name of our output file. So we have defined these particular two functions. So now we're gonna use unsilence library to remove the silence from our audio sample. So for removing the audio sample silence we're gonna use this particular audio file, which is audio file without noise. So how you gonna do that? So this is how. So we're gonna use unsilence function which we have imported earlier. We just gonna pass path of the audio file here, and it will remove all the silence part from this audio sample and it will store inside this u variable. Okay, now we have to define the silence level. At what silence level it will remove the particular part. For that, right now I'm keeping 50 as a silence level. So here you can see it removed 0.8 second video audio of that particular silence. So silence duration was 0.81 seconds. Okay, so what this means, so earlier our audio sample was of length 2 seconds. You can see this is a time in seconds, 2 seconds audio sample we were having. So it removed silence part of that audio sample of length 0.81 second. So our final audio will be of 1.2 second only. 2 second minus 0.8 second will be 1.2 second. So now we have removed the silence part from our audio. So let's save this particular audio. For that you will use this particular function render media. We will pass a destination and name of our particular file, then audio only is equal to true. Then once you execute this particular function you can see our audio file is generated. This particular audio file is without silence. So let's print a waveform for this audio sample to see the magic, whether the silence got removed or not. So you can see we have plotted the waveform for this particular audio sample. You can see the length of this particular audio sample is now 1.2 seconds. If you see earlier it was 2 seconds. After removing silence of duration 0.8 second, now we are having our audio file only of length 1.2 seconds. So this is how we have removed silence from this particular audio file. So now in next video we're gonna see how we can extract MFCC features from this particular silences audio file. Again, I'm saying if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading more such videos related to the audio processing, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to the like to the particular video. If you want code for this particular section of video, please comment in the comment section. I will drop you the code as well. Thank you for this video, and stay tuned from the following video where we're gonna extract MFCC features from an audio. Thank you.